Chris Morgan, Clearview Farms. We farm about 4,700 acres of row crop, and we use polypipe majority of our ground. And I'm gonna give a demonstration on why these poly patches are the best. And I mean, these things save time and money in the field. So. When you do this, you need to make sure you clean off all the dirt, iron deposit. I mean, get it clean. Dump it down like that. Make sure you step on it real good. Just like that, it's all done. You've got critters, coyotes, I mean anything, a vehicle driving down the road pops a hole in your pipe,